Yes, Junet, what is...
Mr. Speaker, in line with the statement that has been tabled by the majority leader, I think now there is clarity in the House that the finance bill is coming up for the third reading on Tuesday next week. Because, Mr. Speaker, you know, yesterday when we were debating the finance bill in the second reading, there was a lot of confusion that people didn't know, and many members are saying did not know that the question will be put, even though we have Standing Order 95 that allows anyone to stand up and ask for the mover to reply. But now with clarity and with a statement that now has been tabled by the majority leader, there is clarity that the third reading is going to happen next week on Tuesday, and members must be aware of that, especially members on our side. Now you can prepare properly. Thank you very much.
Yes, Chungwa.
Honorable Speaker, you know my good friend, the Honorable Junet, might not have heard me clearly. I said from business beginning on Tuesday, in the course of the week, next week, we will have the third reading and the appropriations bill, should it be published over the weekend. But that is not to say it could be Tuesday, and the Honorable Junet is a member of the House Business Committee, and he knows it is a House Business Committee that schedules business for the week. And I believe when we meet on Tuesday 20th, we'll be able to schedule business for next week. Two, Honorable Speaker, there should be no excuse for any member of parliament to be anywhere else other than in the National Assembly, in chamber, debating, and therefore there were no surprises yesterday. Every member of parliament who's been elected by the people of Kenya from the constituents we are elected in, we should be in the House from Tuesday to Thursday. And it's a very short 4 hours in the afternoon, another 8 or so hours on Wednesday, Thursday, another short 4 hours, and we're off to our constituency. Honorable Speaker, let me just say, in the course of next week, between Tuesday and Thursday, when the House business schedules and the order paper will be published, Honorable Speaker, by Monday night, actually, then the House business schedules when we transact what business.
Junet, you want to pursue that?
There is clarity now, but you know, Mr. Speaker, the course of the week is a course that you have to, with your indulgence now, Mr. Speaker, and the mood of the House is that on Tuesday we have the finance bill. Can we agree tentatively here and ask the House?
Order, Honorable Junet. Order, members. Order. For avoidance of any doubt and Honorable Junet's point of order, many members thought that by your vote last evening, you concluded the finance bill. You didn't. There is still the committee of the whole. The bill as you passed yesterday is the bill as published. The committee itself has proposed amendments. There are many members, I believe, will also bring amendments to the bill. And that will be in the committee of the whole, depending on what the House Business Committee, in which Junet yourself sits, you will give direction as to whether to start on Tuesday or Wednesday or whichever day. But I believe that in the course of business, we should be able to start on Tuesday and proceed until you finish. If you want to truncate the process, you can finish on Tuesday. If you want to mount spirited competition, including but not limited to divisions, then we may be able to go on up to Thursday. But be aware that the finance bill is not done yet. Order, no more points of order.